Are flies, ants, and fruit flies attacking your fresh fruits before you can enjoy them? Don't worry. Today I'm going to show you a super simple bottle hack that will protect your fruits and keep your garden safe without using harmful chemicals. First, take a plastic bottle and cut small holes near the top. Make sure the holes are big enough for flies and ants to enter, but not too large. Now, let's prepare the magic solution. In a half-liter water in jug, add 1 spoon of sugar, 2 spoons of apple vinegar, and a few drops of dish soap. Mix it well. The sugar attracts the pests, the apple vinegar confuses them, and the soap traps them instantly. Pour this mixture inside the bottle until it's about 1/4 full. That's enough to do the trick. Finally, tie the bottle with a string and hang it near your fruit trees, plants, or even in your kitchen garden. Within hours, you'll see flies and ants getting trapped inside, keeping your fruits fresh and safe. This hack is eco-friendly, super cheap, and really effective. Just replace the solution every 7 to 10 days, and your garden will stay pest-free all season long.